Is it time to buy or sell Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has categorized the Yieldmax MSTR Optionome Strategy ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.43. Now, let's review the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a decline of 8.65%. This results in an average daily loss of 4.33% since its classification as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $18.88 be breached, it would firstly indicate a slower rate of ascent, but it may also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.62% to 43.29%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -12.50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -36.69% to 78.07% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $12.83 and $36.09. Our latest daily update for the Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF includes the headline: Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF price fell more than 8.65% Thursday, closing at $20.27. The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF price fell by 8.65% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, from $22.19 to $20.27. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.7%, ranging from a low of $20.04 to a high of $20.98. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.63% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares. Although this was accompanied by falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk could increase slightly over the next few days. In total, 17 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $339,760,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $46.50, while the lowest price was $17.10. Currently, the price is 56.41%, or $26.23, below the 52-week high of $46.50, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recently, the Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF, or MSTY, has captured investor attention with its significant dividend announcement and high yield potential. With a recent distribution of $1.47 per share, reflecting an impressive 85.27% distribution rate, MSTY is positioning itself as a strong option for income-focused investors. The ETF employs a unique strategy, leveraging the volatility of MicroStrategy and its substantial Bitcoin holdings, which adds both risk and potential return to its profile. The market environment appears favorable for MSTY, especially with growing interest in cryptocurrencies and better regulatory conditions under the current administration. This could lead to increased investor confidence and potentially drive share prices higher in the short term. However, due to its heavy reliance on the performance of MSTR stock and the inherent volatility of Bitcoin, MSTY still carries substantial risk. Long-term, if MSTY can maintain its high yield through effective management of its options strategy, it might attract a dedicated base of investors seeking high income. However, any downturn in MSTR stock price or Bitcoin could severely impact both distributions and the ETF's valuation. Therefore, While MSTY offers exciting potential upside, cautious investors should carefully weigh the risks against the attractive income it offers. The following signals have been identified for the Yieldmax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $21.60 and $22.94. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and since then, the fund has declined by 19.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the exchange-traded fund is warranted. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 93 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for the Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy finds support from accumulated volume at $20.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 94 cents between its high and low, which is approximately 4.7%. In the last week, the ETF exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.06%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Yieldmax MSTR Option Strategy ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Yieldmax MSTR Option Strategy ETF is at $21.52. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Yieldmax MSTR Option Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $20.22. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop-loss measure has been established. Is Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF a good buy? The Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF currently holds several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we expect Yieldmax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF to open higher by 160 thousandths and start trading at $20.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.